Hey everyone, my name's Elizabeth. I currently work full-time in the hospitality industry, and this is my first semester back in school at SMCC. I decided at this point in my life I was looking to really follow my passions, so I am here. The business I chose is CrossFit Beacon, and they're located in Portland, Maine. I chose the business for a few reasons. The first being that I know that they have some opportunity in social media marketing, so it was pretty easy for me to convince them to let me do this project for them. The other reason is that it's a business that's in the industry that I'm looking to get into. So with that overlapping a bit, it was helpful for me to start learning more about industries that will impact what I'm looking to do. So I'm hoping that my final project and video turn out great, and good luck to everyone else. Thanks.